Right, these are the pigeons I'm sending this week. She's a cracking wee hen, this. Her number's 185. She's a smart wee pigeon, so she is. Yep. There's another one. Turn this camera that way so you can see them. This is 197. Another wee hen. She's sitting feeding a wee baby. See, she's molting two feathers at the same time. 197 blue hen. I know, but you can't get it down. Oh, there, 187. Blue hen. Come here, you. I know. Two eggs, I know. This wee pigeon's been keen all week. This wee pigeon, it's in great health. You know what, this pigeon's handling, this is the best one I've took at the hut yet, and I've only handled 3. This is it here. See this pigeon here, I'll tell you what. This video will come from me in the morning. What's his number? There you are, last week's winner. Last week's winner. 191. There it's there. A cracking wee, oh, his feathering's so silky. But he'll be my puller for this week. But back to Weatherby. Back to Weatherby, son. Yeah, 191 blue coat. Blue coat, 191. Hey, I know guys, I know. See this here? I know, let me see you. Come on, let me see you. Another one cracking, another one handling beautiful. Oof. That's what my members say sometimes when I take my dues to the loft. My birds are handling lovely. You know, but aye, they are. Your number 184. Blue hen. Come on, sweetheart. I know. Watch this, I'll try and fight them. Get in. Go. Come here, let me see you, come here, let me see you. I know. Oh. There we go again, another lovely wee hen. She's handling beautiful, she really is. She's handling beautiful. Oh. You know, see when they'll handle like this, you know, most of them they're like that, but 192. The next mate to the winner, 191. Here we are, 192. Blue hen. Come on, darling. There you go. I know, there you go. Come on then, let me see you. I know, son. Come on. I know. There we go. Oh. I've just noticed this on this pigeon, I can't send it. 755, look. It's had an injury. See that? I'll no bother sending that video. Go on, in you go. Come on, son, let me see. Come on, there we go, come on. 1009. This pigeon was bred by Stuart Gilchrist of Granton. This pigeon here. It's a smashing wee cock, so he is. Honestly, it's handling lovely, I have to say that. 1009 blue cock. There we go, so there we go. Let's see what else he's got. What else he's got? Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on now, come on. See, I gave them all a bath yesterday, which is a great idea. It helps to bring their plumage on, you know. Helps to build that silky feather. He's a cracking wee cock. Look at me, he's a beauty, isn't he? Look at his iron. Look at the eye in that pigeon. What a lovely pigeon. So he is a cracking wee do. Who is he? 165. What's that? Blue cock 165. Blue cock 165. He's a cracking pigeon, that's so he is. I know, and you go. Right. Come on, come on. Come on now, come on. Oh. It's a cracking pigeon here. This is a cracking wee pigeon this here. It's a wee hen. It's a wee cock. That's a wee hen. Honestly, man. 571. 571. 571. And yeah, it's a cracking wee pigeon, see it, eh? Right, let's see what. Let's see. Who else is got? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on out. Come on out. Come on out. See this wee hen. See this wee hen. She's a wee bit flighty in the hut. In the loft I should say, but aye, she's... It's a cracking pigeon now. Look at the eye in that do. Look at the eye in it. It's what you call probably a violet. Ah, cracker, eh? She's handling lovely too. What's your number, darling? You are 1014. 1014. 10, 14. Right. Oh, see this wee pigeon, he's handling beautiful.